Hello and a warm welcome on what is a glorious night for football. Perfect playing conditions. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player Stuart Robson. And we've got so much to look forward to. This is where it all begins in Europe's Premier Club competition, the UEFA Champions League, the group stage, match day 1 action. It is Bayern Munich up against Manchester United.
Well, I'm looking forward to this one, Derek. It's so important that you get off to a good start. So let's hope both sides go for the win here and we get an exciting match.
Leroy Sané, Harry Kane, and it's Kim Min-jae. Good tackle taken away. They've chosen to go through Harry Kane. Options around him. Can he get them in front? Not out of the woods yet. Well, it looks so threatening, but the danger averted. Casemiro. And Martial. Now Casemiro. Here's Martial now. Goretzka. Martial. Bruno Fernandes. It's there for him. It's got to be. Chance maybe. Rashford. Can he put it away? Oh, good save. Any goalkeeper would accept corner kick deliveries like that every day. Alphonso Davies. Goretzka. Real chance. Is it going to be? Harry Kane has done it. The first goal of the contest here.
Well, here we can see just how good this goal is. It has everything. Skill, pace and power. There was no stopping him there.
Now back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. Encouraging stuff from United. This could square the game. And a goal! An end-to-end game, and they weren't behind for long.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
So, a level contest, 1-1. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here. So they get the ball rolling in the second half. Even Steven here. So little to choose between the sides. Musiala. In with a chance. Surely. Terrific save.
Well, that's a top-class save. He read it so well.
Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Can they forge ahead? And a goal it is to put them in front again. No less than they deserve.
Well, he puts it away really well, as you can see. But you'd expect him to score from that range. But they all count.
Action underway once more. Let's see if United have the wherewithal to